My name is Miss Becky. I'm a children's librarian at the Free Library of Philadelphia, and I am the head of the Parkway Central Library Children's Department. And one of the things that I think is so cool and amazing about corn is that it is used for so many different things. I wanted to show you some of my favorite books that feature corn. This is called Layla's Happiness. This is one of my favorite books in the whole world. It's by poet Mariah Dessa Akiri Talley, and it's illustrated by Ashley Corin. This is a really beautiful book, and you can see in this book, Layla feeds corn to some chickens. What would you name these chickens? I also brought Growing Vegetable Soup by children's author Lois Ehlert, and this book is all about growing vegetables in a garden and then using them to make soup. And you can see corn is one of those vegetables. If you had a garden, what would you want to grow? And finally, I want to show you this book called Food Like Mine. This talks about foods that people eat all over the world. It's a nonfiction book, and it has lots and lots of facts about corn. Thanks for being with me and looking at books. You can check out these books and more at the Free Library of Philadelphia.
Hi friends, Tony here from the Free Library, and today I'll be making corn salad. Corn is great, it's sweet, and it's easy. Today, our main ingredient for our salad, of course, is corn. Then we have some black beans here, we have some avocado, some raw red onions, which is my favorite way to eat them because that's where I get most of my flavor, some cilantro, some red and green bell peppers. We also have a homemade dressing here. Inside our dressing, we have some honey for a little sweetness, and we're going to be using it as a binder to hold the oil with the lime. We have some salt, olive oil, and some chili powder. I put it in this container for two reasons. One, because I like to go on picnics and it's easy to travel with it in this Tupperware container. And two, it's easy to shake it up. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pour this dressing over top of our salad. But I won't be using all of it. Now that we have our dressing in our salad, we're just going to mix it up, okay? We're going to get everything in there together. We want our cilantro to mix with the onions mix with the bell peppers mix with the avocado. Thanks for being here with me today, and I'll see you soon again, friends. Bye!
Hi, my name is Eric. I love corn because it's a versatile staple in the kitchen. One of my favorite hobbies is gardening, and I like this because it makes me feel at peace. Some of my favorite things to grow are herbs, such as basil, parsley, and rosemary. Before seeds become plants, they usually germinate, and this process usually happens underground. But we can observe this today by doing a little experiment using a plastic cup and a few moist paper towels. You take 5 to 6 corn kernels and place them in your cup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like so. And then once you have your corn kernels in the cup, you can place it on a warm and sunny windowsill. Come back in 4 to 5 days and check out your little seedlings. You might see some root action taking place. Once you see those roots, you can place your seeds in a small pot with a bit of potting soil. Thank you for joining us. Happy gardening, happy cooking.